Good morning, everyone. This is Aaron at hitchforfun.com. Today I wanted to show you a really cool tool we have now for prospecting. It comes in this kit. It's perfect size for RVing. It's the Gold Magic 12E complete kit. And so today I thought I would take the opportunity here at Calico, where we're camping with our fifth wheel and ATV, and show you it. It's a great tool you can take anywhere you go out in the desert to do some quick prospecting or some serious amateur prospecting when you're out. So let me unpack this. The kit comes with the tub, and this is what you'll set the machine up in to do your prospecting. And so everything you'll see here is what comes with it. So this is part of the bowl of the Gold Magic 12E, and we'll talk more about that once we set it up. Comes with a gold pan, the treasure scoop, and it comes with the gold drop solution that you can add to the water to help break the surface tension and make the gold drop and separate from the other material. Of course, got to come with an instructional DVD, and then the Gold Magic machine itself as well. Set that here, and then the tub comes with a drain already installed in it, and then a simple garden shut-off hose thing to allow the water to drain out when we're done. All right, so that's what comes with the kit, and now I'll set it up and show you how it works. Okay, now that I've got the tank full, I wanted to show you how that looks. You'll put the Gold Magic in at approximately a 45-degree angle. That's how you'll set up the leg. And then, as you can see, you'll fill the water in the tub up to the center of the cup. And that's kind of the ideal setup right when you begin. You may have caught it on the film. I like putting a second pan underneath the Gold Magic wheel with a rock in it. Because as material exits the wheel and falls in the pan, it's easy for me to take it and then dump it to the side. You're not going to lose any gold in that. All the gold's going to end up in the cup, and it just makes the cleanup of the tub a little bit easier. You don't have to, but that's something I do. So now we are set to run some material. We'll turn the machine on, and it'll immediately start being drawn up into the collector cup on top. I'll start adding the material. Just add it slowly in there. And what happens is the heaviest material, the gold, will get drawn up into the cup, into the center, and the lighter material will fall off into the bottom. As you'll see here. You rinse that out. A little water. It only takes a few seconds for the gold actually to be drawn up into the cup. And it will start getting caught in these grooves and separated and lifted up into the center, like so. And I can actually see gold starting to be drawn up into the cup. All right, so I'll stop the machine. And this machine has the ability to get the really fine gold out of it. You can take the collector cup out like so, get a little water in the pan, and I will shake it out, put that to the side. Let me separate the gold. All right, let me come around to the camera, and you can see the gold's already in the pan that fast. I'm going to dump this right back in and run it again, and you'll see it'll pull it right back up. There's some pretty characteristic pieces in there. I'll slide that to the top. You'll see there, and some of the others, you'll watch. It'll come right back up. Turn this off real quick. I forgot to put the cup back in. You don't have to use the collector cup. It just makes it easier to get it out. Okay, you turn on. Give it a second. You can already see the gold coming right back up. Pop right in there. All right. There's that gold, there's that characteristic picker on top. And that's how easy it is to run the machine. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment, send me an email, I'll be happy to answer them. But otherwise, very simple machine, easy to fit in your RV, and it'll help you improve your prospecting experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you give us a like at the bottom. These grooves take it all the way into the center, and then these bumps break up the material, and it grabs the gold and then lifts it right in. So
it's just, that's a concentric.
Yeah, they call it a parabolic design. Other ones are all flat with the spirals, but the way this is angled, it helps bring it in. So you'll see the gold sliding up in the cup right there?
This is crazy.
You see little pieces come up. It's all dumb.
So will it take, oh, just the heavy particles go up there, right? Or
yeah,
no?
Exactly. The most dense material, you can see the gold right there already.
Now what about that sand and stuff that's already in there?
Oh, what's cool is the more and more you fill it with gold, it'll
I see it coming out now, yeah.
Yeah. And so you'll see the little piece of gold right there. A little bit of float gold coming out there, but
what's the percentage you think it gets down to?
oh, you mean, well, the percentage of the gold that gets out, I'd say probably 98% of it. Yeah. It's a high 90s.
Yeah.
So you can already see now that you've got more black sand that's actually dispersed more of the sand that was in there.
Now that you get that out, do you just pan that?
So just go like this.
So it's never going to be 100% gold in there, but it's going to have a lot.
Yeah. I mean, if you were a ton of gold, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Jeez. Your job.
Yep. So watch, I'll do it again. Let's get that. So put that in front of the camera.
Oh, you could just keep running it.
Yeah.
Get the sand out and keep running it?
Well,
oh.
I'm just showing you how easy it is to get it in. Yeah, it's already starting to come up right there. There's the first piece coming up.
That's cool.
There comes the other one. So there comes that bigger piece. It's looking good.
Everybody claims to have the best, but then you start comparing against things like this, you're like,
yeah.
How could they not?
I really like this. This I can take anywhere.
Yeah.
I don't have any pumps or nothing. So.
And is that capture about the same? Oh, geez, just like that. Isn't that fast?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's awesome. So all I do for dry, I take just the machine out and a pan on the ground, and you can just shovel raw dirt in. It can have rocks, you know, you wouldn't put boulders in it, but rocks will fall right out of it, and then totally dry. Okay, and then you'll take the concentrate from here and then pan that with water, and you'll see if there's gold in it. If there's gold in it, then you know, okay, I'm gonna keep working this spot.
That's crazy.
And go from there. So
you don't need. Oh, you just got stuff in that other.
Yeah, this I got last week from Blake's Miners Depot. Now the water's gonna get real dirty. You see, this was a $20 bag of pay dirt. He goes up to Alaska.
Oh, okay.
He's got a big claim up there. But what's fun is if you buy the pay dirt, then you, of course I find gold on my own too, but for beginners it's good to buy some pay dirt, then you know there's actual gold in there, and see if you can recover it. And you keep practicing. Sometimes the gold likes to get stuck in the... Just let that run for a minute. Other ones, they have a spray bar that come across here, and you have to calibrate that. You have to turn it up and turn it down to the level where you're getting enough washing that it's washing the yuck out, but not washing the gold out. And you can't stop it, you can't start it. At least you can do that all day long. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. I'll dump that gold in there, so then I can see what Blake sold me. See if there's anything in this. Got skunked or not. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, just like that.
Yeah, there's good gold in there. Yeah, I'm like, that's a good bag.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, Blake hooked me up good. There were nice chunkies in there. Easy peasy.